how to sell digital products on Wix. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys exactly everything that you guys need to know to basically sell digital products on Wix. So it's very easy and I will show you exactly how it's done. So simply come over to your Wix website editing panel, and then after that, from over here, just simply come over to the editor. Now once you guys are over here, I want you guys to just simply click on the left side on the Wix store. So for example, from over here, click on the bottom left and look for the Wix app store. So over here, click on apps, and then after that, it's gonna take you guys over here. So now from over here, type in the search bar store, and then once you guys type in store, after that click on Wix stores. Now once you guys click on Wix stores, after that it's gonna take you, of course, over to the Wix store dashboard. So over here, just simply click on add to site, and then after that it's gonna ask you for something, and then once you guys give that permission, after that just simply you guys are gonna see that Wix stores is gonna be added to your website. So over here, let me just take a look. Now from over here, you guys can see that Wix storage is now added. Now from over here, coming back over to the Wix app market, we are going to be able to just simply open up this particular application by coming over here on add apps, and then after that just simply search for Wix stores once again, and then after that it's gonna take you over here, click on open, and then once you guys click on open, it's gonna open up the Wix app store menu. And then once it opens up, so for example over here, let's just wait for a few seconds, click on manage products, and then now it's gonna take you over here to this particular dashboard of managing products. Now from over here, as you guys can basically see that we are now in this particular dashboard. Now from over here, click on the left side on products, and then after that click on add new product, then click on digital file. Now once you click on digital file, it's gonna take you over here, and now from over here you guys can basically upload any digital product from over here from your computer, whether that be a document or a PDF, whatever it might be. You guys can just simply drag and drop it over here, and then after that you guys are basically gonna be able to sell it over here. So like you have the option to sell an image, audio file, document, or a zip file. So we can choose a document from over here, and of course we can add in a product name, a ribbon, description, image, video, pricing, and all of that good stuff. And then in the end, click on save in the top right, and then your product is going to be on sale in your Shopify store. So guys, that is how you can basically add in digital products on your Wix website and sell them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.